Hello everyone and welcome to my corner of the world. So a couple of weeks ago I shared this card that I made using some nesting dies, and I'm thrilled with the card, but it's too big for any of my standard envelopes. So I thought, well, I could make an envelope with a board, but then I had another thought and a little rummage around in my stationery drawer, and I came across this envelope, and when I checked it out, I thought, you know, that would work, but I need to sort of trim it down a little bit. So this particular envelope has got a very simple seal at the bottom, literally folded over, rather than the fancy ones that we get that kind of got the triangle that could be a bit more difficult. So all I did, I'm going to fold this back because it's like a self-adhesive. It's sticky on both sides, so I don't really want to get that stuck down. So I figured that this little fold here is about 7/8. That return is 7/8. So if I want this envelope to fit this card, I need to have like 7/8. So what did I do with my pencil? There we go. So I need to have this about 7/8. But I'm going to be a bit cautious, and I'm just going to sort of cut it there. So that is actually cutting off about 1.5 inches. So we just get my trimmer out and do 1.5 inches and cut that off. Let's see there. There. I will need to get my eraser and just get rid of my pencil mark there. Right, there we go, that's that bit done. Then we're going to score 7/8 and get my cutting out of the way. I'm just going to score 7/8 there. And then I'm going to get my pair of scissors, and I'm going to cut just one side. Just trim it up on that score line. Like that. And then to sort of get this look, which is the sort of edge, sort of chamfered a little bit, I'm just going to take my scissors like that and do that side. And then so it's the same, I'm just going to take that piece, line up the point, and just trim that there like that. Put my fold in and give it a good old thing with my bone folder, and then I get some adhesive. So I'm going to start with just a quick glue stick. Like that, and then I'm just going to add a little, this is a solvent based glue. Just make sure it's working. Yep, brilliant. Sometimes it gets a little bit caught up in the tip, it dries slightly, and then you've got to stick a pin in it to get it working again. So there we go. Put that back in. And then just bring that over, get my bone folder and really sort of spread that like that. I've got a little bit of ooze there, but we can ease that off. And just use my, I've got a little sand eraser here which can take off adhesive that's gone a little rogue on us. There we go. And there I have the perfect envelope for my card. Look at that. I'm not going to press it down, otherwise it'll be sealed in there for good. So there we are, a quick hack on how to create a custom envelope from an existing one. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip, and I've certainly enjoyed bringing it to you. And I'd just like to thank you for choosing to spend some time with me today. And if you go ahead, give me a thumbs up, I would appreciate that as well. Well, thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye bye for now.